Hey everybody, it's Megan, and a big question that I keep seeing a lot is that people really don't know how to use Cricut Design Space without an SVG file. So I'm going to show you today how to take a JPG image or a PNG image or whatever and kind of get it how you want it to cut out in different colors. There are multiple ways to do this, but this is just the way that I like best, that works for me the easiest. So what you're going to do is go down to upload and you're going to upload the image you want. Right now it's pretty simple with a lot of contrast between the colors, so I just chose the simple option. Go over to continue. Come on, cooperate. Okay, and now I've already got it for select and erase. I'm going to get rid of all the white like that. Now, normally I would also do like all the horn pieces, but if you notice when you go over here and you're going to save it as a cut image, we still have pieces of the horn here, so I'm going to have to erase anyways. So let me go back. It just makes it easier if I start out on erase, get the eraser a little bigger than I wanted, and just so that way I make sure that I don't miss anything and I don't have to go back and forth 100 times. So for this one, I just need the black pieces, so the ears and the eyes. I'm sorry if you're watching this thinking, oh, just hurry up. Now, I'm going to tell you what I did in just a minute to make this kind of work. I'm going to call this Unicorn 4 because I think this is the fourth part I'm at right now. Okay, so now if you look at this and you notice I've got 4 different pieces, and what I've actually done is separated these into different files based on the color I want to print out. Like for this one here, I wanted the flower and the inside of the ears to both be pink, so that's going to be my pink file. But if you'll also notice, I've saved the eyelashes on every single unicorn, and that's not a mistake. I'm going to show you why I did that right now. Click Insert Image, and you can see that now I have a way to line up all the images together is by putting the eyelashes on. That way I know I've got everything on this lined up the way I want it to line up. So not so much for printing, but so that if I go like this and I want to change the size, I know that everything has already been set based on where the eyelashes are. So let me go to templates really quick. Classic t-shirt. And see, okay, let me undo that real quick. I want to select all. We're going to move it as one unit. We're going to get it to about the size we want. Let's say that looks about good. Maybe a little smaller. It is going to be a kid's shirt. Okay, so now that I've got everything the way that I want it, the size that I want it, what I'm going to go through now is print everything one layer at a time. So I'm going to mute the black, mute the side flowers, mute the horn and the stars, and then all I have left is the light pink. But if you notice, if you go click Make It, well, now I've got those eyelashes. I don't want those eyelashes in light pink, so let's go back and fix that. The simplest way, because for some reason I can't seem to find anything that will just let me erase a part of the picture that I don't want to print, is just go over to shapes, pick any old shape you want. I'm going to pick a square, make it the size of the eyelashes, and then select both. You can do that by holding down Shift. You want to select both images and then click Slice down here in the corner. And when you do that, you've got that, and those are all now separated and you can remove them. So now when I click Make It, haha, you can see I just have the pieces that I want to be light pink. And you're just going to basically do that for every image as you go through it. When I'm done with this one, I'm going to turn this layer off and turn on maybe the black layer. And for the black print layer, I don't need to do anything. So when I'm done printing that one, I'm going to go down to this one and remove the eyelashes. Okay, so now I've gone through and I've made each layer as sort of color-coded as I care to make it. And it is a little bit out of order now, but that's fine. So now I have all the pieces sort of segmented and perfectly sized in how I want it per color. And if you actually want to, you can go over to your images and click on where it's black, and then sort of pick the color that you want that to be, if that helps you sort of figure out your process here. Let's say we'll have these blue. Let's say we'll do, this will be light pink. And then you can see sort of more how it's going to come apart, or how it's going to come together, sorry, when you're all said and done here. And if you go through and slice out all the eyelashes first, then you can just color code everything, click Make It, and it will automatically sort everything based on what color it's supposed to be, so everything won't print out in black. But as you can see, there's still a lot of space here, and I don't like to be wasteful on these projects, so let me show you one more thing you can do to save even more space on your vinyl. We all know vinyl's not cheap, so let's not play around. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna click Shapes, Any shape will do, whatever makes you happy here. I'm going to make it larger, and you hit shift to combine with the image you want to slice. Slice. And I'm going to put it up here. Okay, so we've got you and the background here. Slice again. And you might think, I don't want this black horn. That's okay, you don't have to keep the black horn. We've got our two little cheeky stars, and we've got our unicorn corn. Now we're going to go over here and take these two flowers, put them underneath this, select, and slice. And now I can also make, wait, did that work? That did not work out right. Let's try that again. I've got to do each one separately. I see now. I thought I could get away with separating them both together, but it's not going to have it. Now this one's separated, so obviously the blue one's going to be separated too. Okay, we got the little pink parts. Let's go over here, do the same thing again. We're going to slice out each piece individually. And if for some reason you can't quite reach the item that you're trying to reach to make this all work out, you can also go over here, click it, hold down shift, click the next one, and see it'll just keep adding. All right, one more set to go here. Come on, ears. Okay, we got two items, slice. Two items, slice. One more to go. Now we're down to the eyelashes and slice. Okay, now I don't need this anymore. Don't need any extra pieces anymore. And now when we go to click make it, you'll see now we're using the absolute minimal amount of vinyl possible to make this done. But I kind of don't like how close those ears are together. So what I'm going to do is just maybe scooch it around just a bit so that way I've got more room to cut this out. So it's not going to be so close. And I can actually, if I do that, I can actually scoot some other things around and save a little bit even more space, you know. And yes, now here's where being anal retentive really starts to show off. But yes, you do it like that. You go through all three boards, you check and see how it's lining up. Like this could go quite a bit closer. Ah, I see we got an extra dot in there. That's why it's being a bit of a pain, but that's okay. And those I'll just spread out just a little bit. And remember, if you are printing this for a t-shirt, this unicorn one doesn't particularly matter because it's symmetrical, but if you were doing something with words, you want to make sure you click mirror before you go for a print, and then make sure that your pattern doesn't get all screwed up when you mirror it, because you do not want your vinyls overlapping and touching. So see, you have to be careful of how that's all aligned, but once you have all your different colors ready, all you do is hit continue. All right, and if your machine is on and connected, okay, I have the Maker, so you might see something different if you're using the Explorer 2 or something else. But for me, if I was doing the glitter vinyl, I would choose light cardstock. And if I was using any other kind of HTV iron-on stuff, I would just click on iron on. And that's as far as I'm gonna go with you guys here today. I'm gonna show you in the next video how to sort of line this all up and make it perfect. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.